Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, the Scalp King. And yes, sir, I'm back reporting to you that it dropped. It came back, went into that beautiful golden zone, and dropped for us. Breaking retest. Money. You see it right here in the middle of the screen, baby. So I know some people is not seeing my videos, but all we did was just put the golden zone. We started from at this peak right here, and we dragged it down because price dropped. So that's how you drag the Fibonacci. All right, so we're gonna drag it down to the wick right there. All right, and then now you can see why I got those two lines on the chart. All right, so that's the golden zone. Now, price, when I made this video, I believe yesterday, let me put that boy in replay. Shoot, man, it was like, no, it wasn't up here. It was, okay, there it is right there. So we had the golden zone drop down here. All right. So that's where we was at right here. I'm sorry, y'all. We was right here when I made that video. Go back and watch it. But, and you can see how I put all this stuff together. But we was down here. Then once it broke that 23.6, you see how that green candle is breaking that 23.6 line, that green line. That means the golden zone is activated. All right. So now all we got to do is sit and wait. And today, sure enough, comes right back into the golden zone. Now, all I was trying to tell y'all in the last video was wait for the rejection showing that it's holding, because it could bust through, right? But the chances, like, this would be an 80% win rate because we're on the right side of the market. We're underneath the 50 moving average. Price dropped like a lot, and it's pulling back to the golden zone, and we're underneath the golden zone. So it's like a lot of things is working in our favor. So these are the 80% win rate, and these are the trades that I try to take consistently. All right. So as long as we stay inside that golden zone, we good. And then what happened today, just now, it dropped. Now, how many pips? Now, come on now. I know it ain't a lot. I know it don't look like a lot, but it's worth a lot. That's what I'm trying to say. It don't look like a lot, but it's worth a lot. Watch this. Let's just say you got in at the probably somewhere in the middle of the golden zone realistically. So if you got in somewhere in at the middle, I mean, that's 3,500 points. If you took $1, that's $3,000 off this little bitty move. You know what I mean? Even if you just took 10 cents and caught 3,000 points, that's gravy. You know what I mean? So a couple $100. So even if you caught it at the first line, let's say you was real hesitant and you just wanted to really make sure. Even right there is 2,500 points. Come on, team. All right, team. So, yeah, so when I send out these videos, definitely like the video, subscribe, turn the notifications on, like do all of that. Share the video with 2 friends. I've been stuck at about 186,000 subscribers for a long time. And if y'all rock with me and support me, let's get these numbers up. I'm trying to definitely get to 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I feel like that's doable, but obviously I can't do it myself. So definitely please share these videos on social media. If you finna go to social media right after you done with this, just go to one of my videos and hit the share button, team. Boom, go over here. Gold just dropped. Hit the share button. Boom. Share that boy. You know what I mean? And then paste it in there. Hey, my boy Jay Wayne dropped some gems today. My trading psychology video. Man, y'all need to watch this trading psychology video. It's going to help you win more trades. Boom, copy the link, paste it, y'all. Come on, team. We trying to get to 200,000 by the end of the year. I know we can do it. So on the flip side of this, what had to happen for this to happen, for this to work out? Go to the DXY and look at it. Shooting up. But it all came from, look at this bottom. Look at this bottom. So how far is the dollar going to shoot up? Is the question. How far? Because as long as this dollar is continually going up, gold is going to continue to go down. All right. Now, I'm not going to hold gold and hold it until it run out of steam. I'm going to come in every day and scalp it. And I know the direction that it's going in, the dominant direction. So I can just, every time it gets set up for a sale, like tomorrow, I'm going to be right back on it again, scalping it again. You know, so tomorrow I'm going to find my setup 1 o'clock in the morning and wait for a sale opportunity to happen. Wait for my sale entry. So definitely join up in the group if you want to catch these. So now we caught the sale. Some of y'all took a piece. Some of y'all caught a piece, sold it, took profit real quick, and you want to get in again. And it look enticing again. And it look enticing again. Well, it's 1 o'clock when I'm making this video. And you may say, ooh, price is at the 50. Ooh, it's probably going to stop here. I could take another sale. Let me take another sale right here. And then it ends up shooting up. It ends up shooting up way towards the golden zone again. When you should have waited for price to get up here a little bit. It's 1 o'clock. It's not much going on. So what I want y'all to do is y'all got to have a model. So when you're done with your trade, I want you to go in here and go to like the text tool. And when you take profit on your 1 or 2 trades a day, I want you to type something in on your chart. Stay disciplined. Don't over trade. Bam. So now you put that in. So if you get a desire to trade again, you get that anxious feeling, you can't get off the charts, you get that greed feeling. When you close this app and you open it back up, you're going to be faced with this. Stay disciplined. Don't over trade. You know, some of y'all really struggling. You got to put don't blow the family's money. You know what I mean? Like you got to have something like that for y'all that's struggling. And then some of y'all go in phases where you ain't struggling all the time. But like for some reason, this month, you getting a little greedy. It's just it's a continual battle that we have to fight. Because you stay locked in for April, May, you may not be. For whatever reason. So it's just a continual battle. But these type of things, these safeguards that you put in place can definitely help you. Because if you close this out and go about your day, and then you go to the store or you got a down moment, or you come back home and you bored and you just want to see the markets, boom, you faced with this. Let me check what gold doing. Let me see what ended up happening. And then they look enticing. It's breaking the 50 moving average. It just broke a minor structure level. You know what I mean? And you like, oh, let me go and grab this. I'm bored. I ain't got nothing to do. You know, you ain't really saying that, but that's what it is. But not if you got this on your screen. Not if it says stay disciplined. Don't overtrade. Stay disciplined. Don't blow the family's money. You know what I mean? That'll keep you like, okay, hold on. Let me think about this. That'll get you back into your clear mind. You feel me? Because we got to remain optimal. We got to trade at an optimal level. We got to think at an optimal level. You feel me? So, hey, if y'all like this video, definitely hit that like button. Share the video with a couple friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.